Jamaican style homemade festival done by none other than Shellstime. Hey guys, here is a recipe on how to make your own Jamaican style festival. You don't have to buy the Elsha style festival. You don't have to buy no box festival. You can make your own homemade festival. So in this video, I use 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I sieve my flour to get all the lumps out of this, which I'll show you. Yes, I sieve my flour before I start to add my ingredients in this, and I used water. You can also use milk. I've done this before with milk. A little cornmeal, sugar, cinnamon powder, baking powder, a little nutmeg, a little vanilla if you choose, Himalayan salt, and some room temperature butter. Feel free to make this yours. Once I combined everything, cornmeal, granulated sugar, baking powder, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, Himalayan salt, I mix everything out. Added my butter, and I also try to blend or mix everything in before I start adding in my liquid. Add all your powdered ingredients, and then you just want to make sure, if you're using your hands or a spoon, to combine everything together before you start adding either milk or water. In this video, I used some cold water to make my dough. And then you're trying to mix out all the butter. Then you go along, add your water. No, you don't want to make this dough too dry. Make it a little clammy where it is a little soft. There goes my finished dough, and it is like really soft. It's like damp or wet, you would call it. Then I covered with saran wrap, and I left this for 30 minutes. Feel free to put this in your refrigerator. Now I'm about to make festivals, and listen, choose to make yours however you want. I made these in some little spinners, or I made them long. Get additional flour, and because the flour is a little damp or clammy, you will need additional dry flour to add onto this. Now there are my little spinners, and then feel free to flatten yours out like I do, or however you choose to make yours. I heated some vegetable oil. Once the oil gets hot, not too hot, I added in my festivals. And listen, my festival tastes better than Elsha festival. I swear to you, that mixture. This is homemade, so it is better. Fried in clean and fresh vegetable oil. One side will take maybe a minute or so to fry, and you want to push your fork in it so a little heat can get to seep through also. Look at your girl festival. They were soft, they were crispy, they tasted good. I give myself a 10 out of a 10. My family really didn't believe I made them from scratch, but I did. I showed you the process from start to finish, how I made festival from scratch, homemade. And I did some escovitch fish on the side, some fish fillets on the side. Listen, my dinner was good, and it was on a Sunday. I didn't feel for no rice, no chicken, so I did some fish fillets with some festival, and my fish was with some escovitch sauce, which is onion, carrots, the whole works. And listen, we did enjoy. You too should try this festival recipe from scratch. Tasted really, really good. They were amazing. And your girl just continued to fry her festivals. Look at them. And there goes my escovitch fish fillets. And there goes my festivals. They were soft, they were crunchy, they were not too oily because I really don't like to deep fry too much or too heavily, but they tasted good. Real Jamaican style festivals from scratch, and I broke one so you could see that it is fried, but I guess my camera was up too far. I broke one so you see it. Jamaican style festival. You too should try them.